should be replaced by any other in charge DG of their choice.
Well, just have this.
Another one.
We have set out what is in the media and we have set out the reality.
So share it with
For-
all of us.
We will share it, don't worry.
No.
Kolkata police informed the family members that the present case was
They are
a case of
in a-
suicide.
No,
False.
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 Another aspect.
At no time did the police get this information.
What we propose to do is we indicate what the broad parameters of our intervention in this matter consists of. We'll just pronounce it very shortly. For one thing, Mr. Sibal, we are very, very concerned. Let not the power of the state of West Bengal be unleashed on peaceful protesters.
Well, we have videos of all that happened.
People, whether they are doctors, civil society, lawyers, people who are protesting, so long as there is no act of destruction of...
We have videos. We agree.
Let there not be the power of the state unleashed
Agree.
on peaceful protest.
Well, I agree, and that has not happened. 1 second. We have videos which we will place before your lordship. And what happens is political parties get into the act, and this is what happens.
People who are taking to the media to communicate their views,
Yes.
let us deal with them with a great deal of...
I agree.
It's a time of national catharsis. Because
Get the girl, don't be denial.
Now, for example, they say pelvic and collarbone was broken. False. Postmortem doesn't say that.
Lordship, state and the center, they'll keep arguing.
Fair.
CBI is investigating it.
Yes.
We will ask for a report from the CBI. Now, what we propose...
Just-
1 second.
Just one second.
This must stop. We are in charge of the proceeding. We have heard Mr. Solicitor. We have heard Mr. Sibal. If we start hearing all the interveners, there will be no end to it.
Lordship,
Please have some patience. We are going to now tell you what we are proposing to do. We are not disposing of the case, but let...
मैं सोरूसूद लाया हूं अपनी खुद की सोशल मीडिया ऐप एक्सप्लोजर, दुनिया की पहली...
Would your lordship just a minute?
On 9 August 2024, a 31-year-old postgraduate doctor at RG Kar Medical College Hospital, Kolkata, who was on a 36-hour duty shift, was raped and murdered inside the seminar room of the hospital. As horrific details have emerged in the course of media reportage, the brutality of the sexual assault and the nature of the crime have shocked the conscience of the nation. The name and graphic images of the deceased have been widely circulated on social media without regard to her privacy or dignity. Writ petitions were instituted before the Calcutta High Court seeking, among other things, a court-monitored investigation of the crime and the conduct of the hospital authorities, including the role of the principal of the medical college and other officials by a special team of investigating officers. It has been alleged that the parents of the deceased were initially informed that their daughter had committed suicide. They were permitted to see the dead body after several hours, and a first information report in regard to the murder was registered belatedly by the police after several hours. By its order dated 13 August 2024, the High Court transferred the investigation to the Central Bureau of Investigation. Following the incident, agitations and protests were called by doctors' associations, student bodies, and civic groups across the country. On the eve of Independence Day, several areas in Kolkata saw protests spurred by the Reclaim the Knife campaign. At 12:30 a.m. on 15 August, when a protest was underway at the hospital, a large mob assembled at the premises of the RG Kar Medical College Hospital and vandalized the emergency ward and